Grace Life DIY home decor. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my console table. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma, myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. I do have some really beautiful co-hosts. Let me go ahead and name them. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Being Mel B, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and Dream with Caroline. Now the theme for today is freestyle, so it doesn't matter what area you decide to decorate. Now, I decided to go ahead and do everything Christmassy on this back wall, and I keep it traditional. Kinda seems, I don't know. I think it's looking really beautiful, guys. Wait till you see the end result. And this tree right here is absolutely gorgeous. So this back wall over here serves like a backdrop for my dining room table. So this area here to me is important because this is what you're going to see besides the actual tablescape that I decide to create. So guys, I wish all of you a Merry Christmas, stay safe, and enjoy your loved ones. God bless you. So we are almost done and ready to head on over to the reveal. So I think this area came out absolutely amazing, and I hope you agree. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.